can see, and today comes another tool review. The Hart shop vac. This is the best model they got with 16 gallon and the 6 peak horsepower. It's a wet and a dry vac, so we'll open this up and I'll show you what's inside. Let's get started. Big old box.
Sounds so good.
Like a vacuum tube. Two vacuum tubes. Just like one.
Welcome to Operation Easy Heat. Revelings on fire and Spider-Man the Fluvian Jungle War. Oh, wait, I'm gonna go this way. Oh, shit, I might have missed it.
And instruction book.
Third-degree burns and broken tibias are definitely going to need
So, camera somewhere else. And we'll get back to actually getting the stuff on the bag and everything like that. Let's see what we got. So you want to look at the box. Here's more a little in depth. It's supposed to come with extension wands, nozzles, squeegee, wet filter, bag, hose, and little cartridge filter. See, we already got these two tubes. Go ahead and do this handle here. This was $88 at Walmart. This is Walmart's new brand that replaced Hypertough. And this is the best model for the Hart series vacuum. Chose the best one because like an extra $15 for the best model. The other one was like $16. So that's a big ass filter. Alright, inside here, one big ass hose, couple the wheels, airbag, filter for that, extra handle, squeegee looks like, vacuum, more stuff to vacuum with. Actually really big in here. And that looks good. A set of screws. I'm gonna go through the handbook and put it together, and we'll see the final result here. Alright, we got to put together. Actually, fairly simple. Just had to attach the handle and the feet, and it looks pretty damn nice too. I mean, I'm ready to take this thing for a spin. I'm gonna make a little dirty spot and see how the vacuum sucks it up. Alright, this is the suck test. Got a little bit of trash right there. Just gonna pop the button. That sucks better than a teenager in the city of Manhattan. So that is the Hart 16 gallon wet dry vac. $88 at Walmart. Looks like pretty darn good quality. But yeah, I guess a little more of a review later, because I'm gonna go clean up my car. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. See ya.